Some things in life are simple.
Like left and right,
Up and down.
Day and night.
but gender isn't.
If you're transgender, you understand.
If you are gender fluid, you understand.
If you are non-conforming, you understand.
If you're an allied friend or a family member, you understand as well.
It hurts to live in a world that only gives us two options.
We understand that it can make all the difference to feel free to really be yourself.
We want you to know
There's nothing at all wrong with going outside the lines.
that gender isn't just blue or pink.
That diversity is beautiful, and so are you.
You can always call the mental health support hotline,
Or look to libraries, to film, to music.
to your community for support.
And to be a support.
This message is brought to you by